Experience an explosion of Thai flavors with every bite here at Easy Tiger. Kick off your meal with a balanced yet flavorful appetizer, Thailand's popular green papaya salad, som tam with chicharon. Make sure to also try out crowd favorite bagoong rice that goes well with another must-try, half-grilled chicken. Easy Tiger also offers fusion dishes combining Thai and Filipino flavors, just like the crispy pata with a classic Thai red curry, a hearty and filling dish that's great for sharing. Cap off your meal with another Thai staple, a refreshing cup of Thai milk tea. Explore Thailand's culture and cuisine by dropping by and dining at Easy Tiger, located at the ground floor of Eastwood Mall, Quezon City.